Hi and welcome to the next video. Today we're going to look at how to bisect a line. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start off with a simple line. Now this line is 100 mils in length and we're going to set our 2 points. Now to bisect this line you need to have a compass and you need to make sure that you set the compass to somewhere a little bit past the halfway point. You then need to mark 2 points from either sides, on top of the line and below the line. Then you need to repeat the process on the other side of the line. Where those points on the compass meet, they are your 2 new points to actually bisect the line. Once you have those points, it's quite easy. All you need to do is get a ruler and then just match the dots pretty much. Now to check the sides, you can easily see that we started off with 100 mils in length, and you can see that each side is 50 mils. So anyways guys, that's a quick and easy way to bisect the line. Hope you learned something and I'll see you next time.